I went to Dollar Tree to see if I could make wedding table numbers on a budget, and here's what I picked up. I got some marble adhesive contact paper, poster board paper, and adhesive number stickers from Dollar Tree. And I also picked up this tape. First, I measured and cut my poster board paper down to the size that I wanted using a paper trimmer. Next, I cut my contact paper slightly larger than the poster board paper. Then I carefully peeled off the backing and wrapped the contact paper around the board just like you would when wrapping a gift. I started by wrapping one side first, then flipped it over to the front to smooth out any air bubbles before moving on to the next side. I'll let you watch the next clip to see exactly how I did it. Next, I cut another piece of poster board to the same size. I added double-sided tape to the back and attached it to the back of my table numbers to give it a clean, finished look. This step is totally optional, but since I have a silhouette cameo, I decided to cut some vinyl and added the word table to the table number. Next, I added the table number using the adhesive number stickers I picked up from Dollar Tree. I used foam tape behind the number to give it a raised 3D effect and make it stand out more. And here's how it turned out. Would you try this DIY for your wedding? Save this for later.